Oh! Oh my god. Alright, where we go? Where we go? My pants are spilled. Where the fuck is the rest of our team? I'm gonna vault you over this and then we're gonna run.
Let me get my breath first.
Dude, I hit my nuts so hard on the ground. These are cool, look at that. Take that! We probably could have made it.
Probably. Vaulting, we shouldn't vault because we don't have enough momentum to. Oh, I don't have enough momentum to clear it. You got long legs.
We need to see where everybody's at. And this is how you play paintball, YouTube. Pull my pants.
Just wait till we hear a few of them ahead.
Oh shit. Is that our team?
No. I think they're shooting across over us.
I wish we could get some call outs.
Yeah.
Pretty sure I hear a guy in the prison. Yeah, a guy in the prison.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Where's the ball?
Over there.
I got shot! I'm dead! We should probably make our run. Hey. That's what I'm looking right now. Hey, tower left.
What?
Tower left. I think so. Whoa, shit, they're shooting at me. Alright, you ready for this?
No.
I think so. What the fuck?
Is that a leak?
Did you see anybody over here?
What?
Dude, we need our fucking team here. Might make a run.
What?
Might make a run.
Alright, let me know and I'll run.
I think they just called us out.
Oh.
Okay. Ow. Fuck, dude. Oh shit. Okay. You want to run first or should I?
I'll run first.
Okay.
I'll wait for the next out.
Next
I don't
out?
know if I can vault.
Just gonna tuck around the right. I'm gonna tuck around the left. Throw your knife at him. Throw it at him. Where's he at? He's gonna bunker both of us. You wanna make a run at him?
No.
Let's just double charge him. How far?
Like 15 feet away.
Is that him? Are you ready? Ah, you're out! Yeah. Oh, that's fucking hilarious.
You're out there.
You're totally out.
Nice count.
I just got you with the throwing knife.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Did you make it in first?
Game's still on! Game's still on!
I can't believe I got someone with a throwing knife. Oh, dude. Wish I could see something. Ow. Oh. Where'd my knife go?
I don't know. Ready. Oh, you done?
Ow. Who shoots a guy in the nuts trying to respawn? On your own team. Alright, so we had two in the prison.
Right.
We have Shane on that right side. Let's just both run up the right real quick. Ow, dude, I think the ball got caught in my fucking dick. Look at that! Oh my god! I caught the ball! Hey, here. This is my nut. It got caught in my groin pouch.
Oh my god.
That's lucky. Are you ready? Dude. Right in my right testicle.
I got it one time.
Once? They lit my ass up. You can respawn, dude. Just go up there.
Okay, I'm match here for I'm only gonna get shot.
You're on your what?
I'm only gonna get shot.
That's great, man. Doesn't matter.
Alright, you ready for this? Hey, all of you guys run up the left and just keep running.
God damn, that shit hurt.
Wait, yeah. All of y'all run and shoot on the left side. We're gonna come
Yeah,
and try.
run, make a lot of noise over there, and just keep running. Like, keep running straight for the entrance. We're going all the way.
Let's go.
Y'all go first. Hey, run, run, run.
Come on, man.
Alright, where are we going?
Right.
Ow! Ow! Stop fucking shooting! God damn! Retards. Hey, move up in the back, dude. Hey, move up a lot more. Yeah, a lot more. Oop. Hey, Red, go that way. Go towards the middle. 30. Hey, one on the left, one on the left. What are y'all doing? You guys can respawn? Yeah.